Xbox fans, are you ready for another awesome unboxing? In this video, I have something special to show you, the Sky Cipher. This is one of the most stunning designs I've seen in a long time, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. Do you think this could be the Xbox controller of your dreams? Drop a comment and let us know. The Sky Cipher has a transparent design with a blue top case and side caps, revealing metallic and silver interior parts that shine through from the inside. The controller comes with a metallic sky blue D-pad surrounded by dark blue accents, complemented by the two-tone thumbsticks that sport the sky blue base and the dark blue tops. You can truly make the Sky Cipher controller your own by customizing button mapping with the Xbox Accessories app. Seamlessly capture and share content such as screenshots, recording, and more with a dedicated share button. On the top of the controller, we'll find the sky blue metallic triggers that look so cool and also help me stay on target with textured grips on the triggers, bumpers, and back case. The Sky Cipher controller also includes the Xbox wireless and Bluetooth technology for wireless gaming on consoles, PC, mobile phones, and tablets. The rubberized sky blue grips on the back case feel so comfortable to hold, especially during those gaming marathons. And I never need to worry about my controller losing power in a critical moment with up to 40 hours of battery life. When everyone's gone to bed, I can plug in with any compatible headset with the 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom of the controller. Here's something to think about when considering purchasing an Xbox controller. Some genre-like action adventures play best with the controller, even on a PC when used wide. And let's face it, having extra controllers to play local multiplayer games like Minecraft, Rocket League, and Overcooked with friends and family is the best. And a controller with the right design like this one will make a much more personalized gift for that Xbox player in your life. That's it from me, so stay tuned for more great content. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And to learn more about the Xbox wireless controller designs, please visit xbox.com. My name is Shaun. Thank you so much for watching.